going on?
Your salmon is done.
Yes.
I'm Ken Arnone, Colavita's corporate chef and a certified master chef.
And I'm Elana, creative director and recipe writer for Colavita.
Olive oil is incredibly popular today. There are many questions out there regarding how to use which oil.
We're going to talk about the facts about olive oil, show you cooking methods, demonstrate recipes, and show you how to get the most out of Colavita olive oil in your kitchen. Let's get started. Let's begin with a little history about olive oil. Ken?
Olive oil has great culinary history in the Mediterranean, and olive trees have been grown and cultivated in that area for thousands of years. The oil has been part of the diet for just as long.
The Mediterranean diet is known to have many health benefits, and Colavita, the trusted family brand, has been producing olive oil from the Mediterranean since 1978. What all of this boils down to is that there are many good reasons to work olive oil into your diet.
Olive oil is the richest source of monounsaturated fats, and it's naturally cholesterol-free.
In fact, olive oil contains much more good fats than butter, margarine, and many other popular cooking oils. Why is this important?
Consuming monounsaturated fats is shown to reduce overall cholesterol levels.
Plus, olive oil has antioxidants, which are known to promote good health. And what about cooking benefits? What are my taste buds getting out of this?
Since Colavita olive oil has such great flavor, there will be a direct impact on the dishes that you cook. So it is important to truly understand the cooking technique before you get started.
Let's talk about the different kinds of olive oil. The three most popular types are extra virgin, pure, and light.
The main difference is flavor. Extra virgin has the most bold flavor, also happens to be the healthiest.
Pure olive oil has a milder taste with a hint of fruitiness, and light olive oil has the least amount of flavor. For this series, we are going to focus on extra virgin olive oil.
In our next episode, we will demonstrate how to cook with Colavita extra virgin olive oil and walk you step by step through the cooking process.
So join us as we continue to explore cooking with olive oil from Colavita. What about cooking Beth the Fifth? Okay.
And these benefits in using this oil. This one here is the better one.